So to go from this little model up into like a big steel sculpture, there's a whole process to this, and it requires a lot of welding and steel because it needs to be strong. It's public art. It can't fall down. It needs to be able to last through crazy environments. I personally do not enjoy welding. Shencheng does an amazing job. I assist. It smells. My nose gets totally black. And it's really hard to film while you're welding, it turns out, because those things are really, really dark, those helmet masks you have to wear. So the sculpture already at this point is like 200, 250 pounds just with the steel. So in order to reduce some weight, I put foam in the center. This is heavy-duty industrial foam. I got really lucky. A company was just giving it away. They had shipped a bunch of COVID vaccines originally, and then they had a crazy amount left in the warehouse, as you can see. So once the foam's done, wrap some chicken wire, and then start mixing and applying the concrete. So recycled marble aggregate, and the cement, and then mix, apply, mix, apply. It takes a while. And this is also, I would say, probably not the most fun thing to do. Then you trowel in some details, and finally you're done. So this paint, I'm not quite sure what happened because I had tested it for a year. I literally painted a block and just left it outside. No problems. But once it was at the location, it did develop kind of like issues that I was surprised by. So I'm not sure if we're having fun yet. Mike, how do you feel?
No, we're not having fun yet.
We're not having fun yet.
I feel a lot better once this thing is freaking like...
As you can see, it's kind of woo!
Right, it's having a mini blue moment.
And here's the forklift. It's kind of like a horse.
This is how we do it.
Here we are.
This is how we do it. You know, just cruising her around the building, showing her the new site.
So that was just a precursor of my problems because it ended up rolling in the truck and breaking off from the wood on the sides. It broke the wood. I had to drive so slowly and killing me with traffic and horns beeping, and I basically just was like, why am I doing this to myself? I'm dying. I was wondering, why the fuck is she driving so slow? Then you think you're done, it's installed, but in less than 2 months, kids with baseball bats had decided it was just the thing to hit. So I had to go in and repair it, and I thought it was fine, and then they did it again, because sometimes it's just fun to break things. So thanks to Terry Karpowicz and the Alma Gallery, it was installed in Pilsen, so I could do repairs and it could be left in peace. And I decided it desperately needed a paint job change because that blue paint totally sucked. I do not need to learn lessons twice. I really did not need this thing to roll in the truck on my drive, 3-hour drive to Morrison, Illinois. Total pros though once I arrived at Morrison Tech. Charles Yost took care of getting it righted along with Christopher Scott, the president of the university, and it was so smooth. Hey everyone, we got this.
Oh, selfie video, wow.
So this sculpture is Hermes, based upon the Greek messenger of the gods. And after all my trials and tribulations, I'm fairly certain the message here is, you cannot break me.
CWE, Certified Welding Educator, Private Pilot Single Engine Land. Thank you.